Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a custom merchandise store with Teespring, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Teespring website at teespring.com. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, select the type of product you want to create, such as apparel or accessories. Choose from a variety of customizable products available on the platform. After selecting a product, you will enter the design interface. Here, you can upload your custom artwork or create text designs using the provided tools. Adjust the placement and size of your design to fit your product perfectly. Next, consider adding multiple product colors or variations to appeal to a wider audience. Once your design is finalized, set up the product details. Input the title, description, and tags to help customers find your merchandise. Decide on the pricing for your product, taking into account production costs and desired profit margins. After setting the details, preview your product to ensure it looks exactly how you envisioned. If satisfied, proceed to the launch phase by clicking on the launch button. You will now be prompted to choose your store's name and URL for easy access. Once your store is created, share the URL with friends and on social media to drive traffic. Consider creating promotional materials like social media posts and emails to spread the word. Monitor your store's performance through the analytics provided by Teespring. Make necessary adjustments to your designs or pricing based on customer feedback and sales data. Continuously update your store with new designs and products to keep it fresh and appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.